friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another edition of holiday releases. You guys seem to really appreciate this type of video right now because I'm kind of telling you what is coming out now or in the future for the holiday makeup lines, and there is so much makeup coming out, and it kind of helps you guys because what I do is I go through the comments on these releases and let you know from people who've actually bought the product lines, has a lot of makeup, you know, makeup lovers like all of us here, what they're thinking, what they're saying, and just to kind of give you a different perspective of, do we want to throw our dollars to this or should we be a little bit more selective since there is so much makeup coming out? And now we are close to All Hallows Eve, so I thought it would kind of be fun. Even though this video is kind of aimed towards more the winter holidays, I thought it would be kind of fun to do a little bit of Halloween in this video as well. So throughout this video, you're going to be able to see me turn my face into a broken doll. This is something I did last year for Halloween that I could wear to my office, to the grocery store. Didn't feel like I needed a full getup. I could wear anything that really suited the look, but really I just do a broken face using some liners that I have. It's really not hard to do. It's not like super FX kind of makeup. It's just something fun if you wanted to do it. So I thought I'd give you a little tutorial throughout this video on how I do that. If you are new to my channel, hi new friend. I hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below to see all of the fun, loud, weird, unique videos I put out every single week. The first product I'm going to be talking about is actually from the Fenty Beauty line. It looks like, according to Trend Mood, this is already out, and this is for the Holidays 2018 collection. It is in Sephora currently, and there are so many items here, but the thing that they're really focusing on, it looks like, is the palette. Lots of shimmers, lots of bold choices. Let's see here. There's so many things in this collection. So Alicia said none of this is appealing to me, and she's pretty disappointed. Wicked Vanity says a palette full of just shimmers? I'll pass. Libby says they must have run out of ideas. Oh, this is not getting the responses I was expecting. Maria says this is a very underwhelming collection. So Janelle said, I want her diamond highlighter so bad with a little diamond emoji, so she's into it. Someone else just said, sad that the highlighter palette is almost $60 for cardboard packaging. We kind of, as consumers, are now becoming more and more accustomed to, if there is a high dollar price tag, we kind of want high-end packaging, high-end product, high-end everything. So I'm seeing a lot of that in here. Brittany just said Rihanna's highlighters are so bomb. I mean, you can just put that on your face and literally you're good. It gives you such a natural, flawless look. So this is kind of more misses than hits, but tell me what you think. Are you obsessed with the Fenty line and you want some of these products, or are you just like a big no thank you? All right, so now I'm going to be doing a little bit of Halloweening for you. Teigen and Becca Cosmetics are doing a collab for this holiday season, and it looks like we've got some beautiful lippies in here. This is the kitchen kit for $44, confectionery glow powder and cinnamon sugar, a gloss kit. There's a lot of different things in here. Okay, so let's see what people are saying. There's apparently a lot of people complaining that she's stealing ideas from Beauty Bakery, but someone just came to her defense, Kay did, and said, stop commenting that she's stealing from Beauty Bakery. Christy is a chef. All of her products have been food themed. Monique just said, yawn, over it. So someone else just commented, I don't mean to be hateful, but really, I don't understand why Becca Cosmetics keeps collaborating with people who aren't makeup artists. I'd really love for a new approach. That's interesting. Lala said, why can't Becca collaborate with anyone other than Christy Teigen? Okay, so Joey said, I am here for this. This reminds me of Jessica Simpson flavored makeup back in the day. Oh, I remember that. Someone else just said, I don't understand why all these comments are coming from. I loved her gloss. This looks so cute. All Die the Greatest said, I love Chrissy, but these products have been very disappointing. Barone Jazz said, I have Chrissy's 2 other collabs and I love them. No complaints here. I'll definitely be getting this one also. So she sounds like a consumer who's bought the products that were collab before and really liked it. Yeah, there's a lot of back and forth about this. There's some people that are really like diehard for it and other people that are just kind of like not feeling it. So what do you guys think? Have you tried any of Chrissy's products previously with Becca? Are you interested? Are you not interested? I think they're really pretty, but tell me your thoughts. Okay, so it looks like Morphe has a big 2018 holiday collection coming out, Ignite the Night, and it's a big collection. Oh my gosh, this includes 15S Social Butterfly Artistry Palette for $16, Teen T, your True Selfie Artistry Palette for $16, 9N About Last Night Artistry Palette for $12, 8S Stellar Impact High Impact Highlighter Palette for $25, Molden Magic 12-piece lip collection, $29. Out and About lip trio for $16. Oh my gosh, this list just keeps going on and on. There's so many things here. Let me just scroll through here. Wow, let me see what people are saying about this, like, release in general, because there's a lot of products here, and I will link Trend Mood down below so you can check out all of these things that I'm talking about today, plus some. This will be available October 23rd. Wow, and she does have a code if you're interested. So Honey Drip said those brushes look cheap ASF, and she's got 85 likes. Okay, so someone else just corroborated that, saying Jen Gang said those brushes look like there's something I'd buy off Amazon for $1. Okay, someone else just said those brushes look like AliExpress brushes. Sad that there isn't a relaunch of the 35B this holiday season. They're wishing for a different product. Okay, so Ciara said, take my money. Whereas freaking Bumblebee said, this is an easy pass for me. Someone else just said, I need the 15S, OMG. Jester Baby said, OMG, now this is what I wanted from Morphe. A lot of people are wanting to know if the 35B is coming back, and everybody's we're just wanting the 35B. Okay, so Joel said, the brushes look so cheap and nothing is really catching my eye. It doesn't really feel like a holiday set. So there's a lot of back and forth about this. Some people who are, I guess, diehard Morphe fans are like, give it, give it, give it. And other people that are trying to be more selective are like, I don't think so. Or maybe just one piece out of the collection. What are you guys thinking about Morphe? What are you thinking about these pieces? Is any of this kind of speaking to you, or are you over Morphe? I'm curious, because it sounds like it's kind of like riding the waves there in the comments. Okay, so this is under Trend Mood Holidays, so I'm going to talk about it. This looks like Colorpop is about to drop a new skin product. It's a no filter stick foundation. What? It's going to be available in 30 shades, buildable formula that can be used to cover, conceal, contour, and touch up all throughout the day. Weightless, comfortable, flawless finish, only $10. I did not know about this. What? Let's see what people are saying. Tell me things I need to know. So Caramel Sunshine said, if these are anything like their liquidy, wrong-toned foundations, then I'm good. The influencers will get the good stuff, while the paying public will get junk. I'll still stick with my regular makeup products. Ooh, sounds like she got burned by the foundation, and I think a lot of us were pretty disappointed in the foundation, especially considering how amazing the concealer is. So Sierra said that as she's looking at the picture, she thinks that they have very olive undertones. It's going to be beautiful on medium skin toned people, but I think pale and dark skin tones will struggle to find a match with this one, is what she's thinking. Some of them are saying that they think some of these look a little gray-like from the pictures. Fabulous 11 said, I'm into it. I can use the darker shade as a contour. So what the kids call exhausted said, I feel like it needs one more row of dark shades, especially since it's being marketed as a foundation and not the other things it can be used for, such as contouring and things like that. Someone else just said they need to expand their shades for deep skin tones. Someone said the dark shades look a little gray. At first look, I didn't see a shade that I can contour with. Someone else just made an interesting point that since this is supposed to be a foundation, shouldn't the models have a foundation stick that matches their skin? Because none of them really match. So this should be interesting. What do you think? Are you gonna try it? Are you interested? I don't know. I'm so curious though. Okay, I don't know why I don't see anywhere that it says hashtag holidays 2018, but I feel like this should, because it's not delivering until December, it looks like. And this is something it sounds like everybody's wanting. Hashtag coming soon. Looks like December for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amra Olivic collab. This is a highlighter for $28. It says, this baby is making a comeback, created by the Queen of Glow. Jocelyn Lynn is asking the questions we all need to know the answers to. She asks, anyone that has had or does have this, is it worth the $28 for highlighter? Let's find out. 70 likes with like 74 comments. Let's see what's going on. I Am Sierra said, I love it. BFF Influenced said, yes, I wish they would make it permanent. It's an all-time favorite highlighter of mine. That's a big deal. Sharon said yes. DCC Charge said yes. Lifted Left said yes. Somebody else just said, I really like it, but for $28, it's not really totally groundbreaking for highlighter. I feel like Wet n Wild ones look just as good. I got those. I got lots of those. I've been using it every single day since it came out, says Bry Naturally. I mean, yes is the main response I'm getting from this. So, are you interested in this? Did you know about it? I didn't know about it, not gonna lie. This looks like everyone is wanting it. It's gonna be coming to Ulta, Sephora, Macy's, and Nordstrom's. And Trendmood's gonna keep you updated, so if you're interested in it, hello. Tip, use a liner that isn't drying out. I have like 3 that are drying, so I'm just using them up doing this. So you can make it look better. And now I am seeing a Dose of Colors here. There's lots of Dose of Colors going on here. We have the Snow Angels palette for $32, limited edition. Eyeshadow palette, pretty cool, $32. That's a permanent. Some mini lip glosses. Let's see what people are saying in general about this holiday release. Happy for the people that are always begging for cool toned palettes. I feel Pretty Cool palette would be great for eyebrows, says Rory. I wish they'd make Snow Angels permanent, crying face. Snow Angels may be my first Dose of Colors purchase, though I heard the formula is on the loose side, says MJ Bath. And that has 2 replies. Let's see what they're saying. The formula is amazing, says Nancy. I work where this is made, and it is a beautiful formula. Oh, really? Ooh, so Tammy said the first 3 shades look patchy ASF. Dose of Colors just keeps getting better and better and better, says Sammy. What do you guys think? I have 0 Dose of Colors in my collection, but these, ooh, these are looking really pretty. Guys, these are some more of the holiday releases that I wanted to share with you guys, kind of tell you what people are saying online, tell me what you're thinking. I am not really drawn to anything so far. In the past few videos, and I'll link the other ones I've done below, I'm not like, oh my god, I have to have this about anything. And maybe it is because I'm trying to be so much more selective of what I'm purchasing, what I'm throwing my dollars at, and bringing into my beauty space. Alright guys, as far as the Halloween look goes, I feel like I did a little too much here on the forehead here. Last year when I did this, I just stuck with like little smaller things, which is why the first round of this was kind of just more like the basic stuff you could go to the office with and probably get away with. I was going a little bit more in depth, and then all of my like liners, you can tell I haven't bought liners in like months and months and months and months and months because everything started to dry out. So this is as good as it's gonna get today, guys. So don't mock me too harshly, but I just kind of thought it was fun. Make sure you highlight and shade and do some things if you want to do something like this, because it's just fun and Halloweeny to do. You could go across the bridge of your nose, all the way across your face, but I actually do have to go places today, so I'm gonna wash off these parts and go someplace today. Ha! Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button. That really helps me out and helps my channel to grow. If you are new to my channel, I hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below to see all of the fun, loud, weird, unique videos I do every single week. Bye, friends.